Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are playing Obby King. I know we already started, but yeah, I just started recording. But yeah, we already started. This is the first map though. I just did the video a little later. I don't like this map. I have never been in this map before. So yeah, hopefully this will go by a little bit quick because there's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people here. So wait, I thought there was supposed to be 6 to start it. Whatever. Oh wait, my friend left the game. So now there's only 4 people. Sorry, I have a snack. Yeah. Oh my gosh, OMG. So yeah, this definitely probably will go by fast because there's only 3 people right now. Wow. Okay, wish me good luck. I know a shortcut, but don't say that I'm bad at this. I don't know. Like, I know a shortcut. I like the shortcut. It cuts off pretty much quite a lot of the map, kind of, because, well, oh no, I was almost there. But, okay. Okay, let's just not fall. Almost at the shortcut. Okay, so you see there's all that. Well, you just have to go right here and then do that. And then, yeah. So that is pretty easy. I like to use it. People think if you use shortcuts or glitches or whatever, or something like that, you're bad at the game. But yeah. Oh my gosh. Well, shortcuts, I know that they think that you're bad at the game. Oh my gosh. Just don't fall. Pretend like not close to the end. Oh my gosh. OMG. People keep leaving. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry if this is such a terrible video. There's not a lot of people. Oh my gosh. This is like up there. So yeah, we are in the final map. Sorry if I'm quiet, but yeah. Somebody crashed. You can kind of see in the chat. Let's just not fall. It's not that hard of an obby. Please don't come up on me or else I'll probably want to rage. Or just like go faster. And I fell. I am so not going to win. Oh my gosh, I'm so not going to win. I can't believe I fell, though. Let's just hope that we can gain up our pace, but not fall, and I fell right there. Oh my gosh, she fell. Okay, we have to do this without falling. Like, seriously, without falling. How the heck did she get up there? I'm mad at her right now because we're almost at the end, technically. Oh my gosh, she did all of them. I can beat her only if I do good, and I'll be mad if I fall. because she will win. I already know. My name is not Maddie. Okay. I'm so mad at this person right now. She's so... Yes, she fell. We just have to gain up our pace, but she didn't have to go to the start, which is pretty bad for us, though, because she's almost... Look, she's already over there. You still have a chance? Well, yeah, I still have a chance, but I doubt she'll fall. Because, like, look, she's almost there. Just hope that she falls again. I can't believe I fell right there, though. I could have already won this thing. But nope, I can't because I fell. And then, of course, I'm not going to win this. Bye, guys.